I'm back. Yeah. Okay, happy day. Okay, I am really weird. Okay, I've been in the same spot since. That's my brother. But I've been in the same spot since about, probably 1 o'clock last night. 1 o'clock in the morning. And then I was asleep till 1. Or, about 1. I woke up 20 minutes ago. I'm so lazy and tired and sleepy. I swear if I could sleep all day I would. I can't. 'Cause I have school tomorrow. Evil school. Look at my awesome hair. Yep. You can go over my eye now. See? It's so much. Sorry, a piece of hair landed on my lip. But it's so much longer now. Yay! Because when I cut it, it was about like. It didn't even go past. It was to the top of my forehead, which is, right there. So, yeah. I don't know why. No one's allowed to see my brother. I had such a weird laugh.
What the?
Ah! What happened?
I didn't know you were there.
I didn't even know I was here!
Huh?
Nothing, Torin.
I didn't know.
What?
And then I was like, what the?
Okay. Now shh.
Okay, that's weird.
That's a total thing. Okay. My mom's outside with my neighbor Cheryl. Torin just went outside. And I'm just being lazy and sitting here on the couch. On Facebook. And YouTube, of course. But, yeah. I have the weirdest laugh ever. Ah. I'm the weirdest smile because I'm like this. See? It's weird. Yeah. Okay, so. Sorry, I'm moving around a lot. Trying to get my legs to be comfortable. Okay, so I know it's early, but.
Mommy, is it?
Um,
Mommy, is it? Mommy,
What?
is it still lit up?
This one isn't. We didn't break it yet.
oh, I put away his,
Yeah, I know. I
things.
thought you should take a give him one.
Okay. But, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Wait, never mind, I lost it again. No, Torin, let me sit here, you're not allowed in the videos. Okay, so probably end this. Bye.
What's wrong, bud?
I